Hey guys, it's Aaron with Joe's Game Electronics, back with another Xbox Series X repair video or tutorial. So today we'll be replacing the fan, which is up here, and let's just hop right into it. Pretty simple. This is probably the easiest repair on the whole console, so let's get in. First, you're gonna grab I use a T8 to unscrew these two screws. There are stickers that are usually covering these two. You're gonna want to remove those slowly. I use heat. For video purposes, I have removed them. Makes it a little easier, a little faster for us. So we're going to want to unscrew these two back screws. Oh, my electric screwdriver has died, so let's use a manual one. So we're going to get rid of those, and then we're going to grab a pry tool. I use a plastic one. We're going to pry from this side here. I use it from slightly above the middle. You'll find a good point where it'll just get right in. There you go. So I'm going to pry up with the tool. And pull right up. Be careful not to break any of these pins. That has been removed. So now, as you can see, the fan is right there. First thing there. You don't have to remove anything else. Very simple. So use that same screwdriver you used earlier. Unscrew the 3 screws holding in the fan. Kind of cool they included a little halo guy there. And last one. Get those done, put them aside. You're going to want to pull up on this connection point here. You're not going to want to pull on too hard because there's a little where it seats in and it's kind of exposed, so you can probably potentially pull that off the board if you're being too harsh with it. Pull right up, and then this thing, out it goes. So very simple, very easy. Let's grab the new board, or not new board, new fan. Got it here. Put it down. Better be careful where it sits in. It's right down. Clips into place. You're gonna want to put your screws back in. A little bit easier with the electric screwdriver, but we'll have to do what we can with this one. I want to put this clip right back in here. It seats in. And that's all there is to it. We're going to put the back cover back on. Be careful not to break any of the legs here. Clip it all back in. Put the 2 main screws in. And that is it. That is how you replace the fan on your Xbox Series X. If you guys like the video, please like and comment, or please like and subscribe. If you would like to comment below. We try to respond to all the comments that are posted on our channel. Thanks for watching and have a great rest of your day.